Keto sausage and cheese omelet muffins, only 4 grams of carbs each. You'll need 1 Jumbo Muffin Pan, 8 pasture-raised organic eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric, 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 4 ounces of grated parmesan and white cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of chopped white mushrooms, 1 pound of ground pork, 1 small onion chopped, and 1 small bag of baby spinach. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a pan with butter and olive oil, sauté the onions for 5 minutes. Then add in the mushrooms 5 more minutes. Set the mix onto a plate, brown the ground pork, add the rest of the seasoning, add the spinach, then add the mushrooms and onions back into the pan. In a bowl of eggs, add the salt, pepper, and turmeric, grated cheeses, cream cheese, and give it a stir. Add in the sausage mixture, give it a stir. Add the egg mixture to a sprayed nonstick Jumbo Muffin Pan. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Let them cool and you're ready to serve. Each egg muffin is only 4 grams of carbs, perfect for the keto diet. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.